Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you all the items you can get from 4th of July special event and grow a garden. So guys, as we know that this is the 4th of July and the Grow a Garden has just dropped a special event called 4th of July shop here. Okay, and then you can go to the shop. I'm going to click on open. Alright, and these are the items we can get from the 4th of July shop. And as you can see, I only have 14 hours left here. And these are the seeds that we can buy. There is Liberty Lily, and then the fireworks flower, firework, bald eagle, and then also the July 4th crate. And I have already bought the Liberty Lily and also the fireworks flower. And then I'm going to go back to my garden and see the seed I have just planted. Okay, this is for the firework flower, guys. Okay, I'm going to tap on that. It's still 7% grown. And then I have already planted my Liberty Lily. This one, I'm going to tap on that. It's already 51% grown. Okay, and then I'm going to go back to the shop here and I'm going to open it. Okay, and I recommend you to get the items as soon as possible because it's very limited, guys. Okay guys, and that's all for today. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.